Hey guys, sorry about all the noise today. It's cold out here in the shop and I've got to have my heater running so I can stand to be out here. I've got a 1908 GE big motor yoke. This is the one year that they had an internal centrifugal start switch. And it needs new bearings front and rear, so we're gonna see about that. Also, it's got a pretty badly bent shaft. So I don't know if I'm gonna try to straighten that shaft. By the time I kill up a bunch of time trying to straighten it, I could put that time towards just making a new shaft and we wouldn't have to worry about any vibration. So y'all stay tuned. This is what I'm working on today, and I'll be back here shortly. All right, y'all stand by. Okay guys, here we are. I've got the new shaft made and I've got it mounted in the rotor there. Got the rotor mounted on the shaft. And here's the old shaft that come out from in there, just to show you the amount of run out and how badly bent this thing was. I've straightened them out when they would be bent like this before, but a lot of times you spend just as much time trying to get it straight and running true. That's what it takes just to go ahead and make a new shaft. So sometimes you just come out better going ahead and putting a new shaft in there. So that's where we're at. We're going to continue on. Y'all stand by. Hey, so real quick, I've got this new shaft mounted in the lathe here, and I'm just going to turn this on, let you see it run so you can see how true this thing's running, okay? All right, there you go. Okay, y'all, I'm through with this motor. I've got the new bearings in it. Here's the old ones that come out from in there. And they was worn pretty bad. Look how egg-shaped that one is, how worn that bearing is. And got the new ones in there. Everything turns real nice and smooth. It's ready to go. All right, appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care.